Whoa, what is up, everybody? And today we are going deep. We're going in. All right, first stop, the heart of it all, Bangkok. This city is an absolute sensory overload. Street food, tuk-tuks, neon lights, and ancient temples all packed together. The nightlife is legendary, but just steps away, you'll find serene temples filled with incense and prayer. This contrast is what defines Bangkok, wild parties and deep spirituality side by side. How can a city be a party capital and a spiritual center? That's the magic of Bangkok. It caters to every desire, from hedonism to inner peace. This duality is the soul of the city, a constant reminder of Thailand's complexity. Now let's talk about something you see everywhere in Thailand, Buddhism. But right next to the sacred, you'll find Thailand's famous adult entertainment industry. It's a live and let live attitude. Deep faith and earthly pleasures, coexisting under the philosophy of Mai Pen Rai. You cannot talk about the unique culture of Thailand without talking about its vibrant and visible transgender community. Here, transgender women, or Kathoi, are a celebrated part of the social landscape, on stage, in media, and everyday life. However, this acceptance doesn't fully translate into legal rights. Kathoi still face major hurdles with official documents. It's a complex reality, celebrated and visible, yet still marginalized by the system. Thailand is one of the most visited countries on the planet, with millions of tourists flocking here every year. But mass tourism strains resources and the environment. Famous beaches have even closed to recover. The demand for nightlife can fuel exploitation, from unfair labor to the darker sides of the sex trade. The challenge: how to balance economic benefits with protecting Thailand's beauty and people. Let's go back to the temples for a minute. With Thailand's party reputation, sacred sites sometimes clash with tourist behavior. Think club clothes at holy places. For many locals, it's deeply offensive, sparking debate about respect and responsibility. Temples now enforce dress codes, but the tension between tradition and tourism remains. Now this is where things get really interesting. Thailand operates in a massive legal gray zone. Prostitution and gambling are technically illegal, but widely tolerated. Marijuana laws have shifted rapidly, creating confusion and opportunity. This gray zone shapes society where knowing the right people can matter more than the rules. It's a system that works in its own chaotic way, but it's a world away from clear-cut legal structures. Thailand is famously known as the land of smiles, but the Thai smile is complex. There are many, each with its own meaning, from politeness to apology. Smiling keeps interactions smooth and avoids confrontation, reflecting the value of harmony. Learning to read these smiles is like learning a new language, one that prioritizes peace over conflict. Beyond the beaches and temples, Thailand has cultivated another kind of tourism: medical tourism. Thailand is a global leader in gender reassignment surgery, attracting patients from around the world. But this boom raises questions. Does the focus on international patients divert resources from locals, especially Thai Kathoi? While Buddhism is the dominant faith, it's blended with much older animist beliefs. This comes alive during ghost festivals like Phai Ta Khon, where locals don wild masks and celebrate with parades and rituals. It's a blend of ancient spirituality and modern festivity, a party and a prayer rolled into one. For Thais, spirituality is vibrant and communal, not just confined to quiet temples. We've talked about how central Buddhism is to Thai life, but it's not stuck in the past. Monks use smartphones, temples bless new cars, and pop culture icons appear in temple art. It's all part of Buddhism's evolution, adapting to stay relevant in a changing world. So, after diving deep into all these contrasts, we come back to our big question. Is Thailand truly the most sinful country in the world? To label it sinful misses the point. Thailand is a country of dualities, not contradictions. Through Mai Pen Rai, it embraces tolerance and acceptance, laying out its imperfections and beauty side by side. It's not sinful. It's human, complex, and unapologetically real. Wow, what a journey. What surprised you most about the real Thailand? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments. If you love deep dive travel content, hit like, share, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.